Hello, Nigel James, Argo Yachting, coming to you from Palma de Mallorca, beautiful November day. I'm on board our stock Greenline 40. This boat was built for us in the spring of 2024 and has been used for displays, boat shows, demonstrations. But she is now very much for sale, and she's for sale at a very attractive price. But before I get to that, I wanted just to run through some of the key features so you get a better understanding of the boat before coming to have a look. If we start here in the cockpit, the features to think about here are the drop-down transom, which enables the space to open out and feel so much bigger. We've got two very deep storage areas, two really cool side doors onto fuel keys, etc., depending on your mooring. And then we've got side decks up both sides. Let's take a look inside. So here we are at the front of the saloon, and there's a few things to take note of. One of which is the length of this area. This floor goes from the steps to the lower accommodation all the way to the back of the transom. It's a really long, flat deck. We've got a huge beam here, 4.2 metres, and look at this glass. The light just floods in. Good head heights, lots of opening doors and hatches and windows. It really is very special, and it makes the living space really nice to be in. So the accommodation here works as well as the rest of the boat. We've got this really spacious and wide owner's cabin with eye-level windows and portholes and lockers and storage and television. We've got a great twin berth on the port side here, self-contained, lots of storage. And here we've got one bathroom which shares the two, but it's a big space and it really does the job very nicely. So a couple of short steps up, and here we are on this beautiful foredeck. And it really does work nicely. We've got good rail heights, we've got good width on the side decks. It's very safe and easy to walk around. The working area around the winch, there's lots of space. We've got this really nicely appointed sun pad with a bit of a shade, a couple of drinks holders, and then on this flat roof over the coupe, we have our opening area over the helm, but behind that we've got our solar panels, and it's the solar panels that help top up the battery system when at anchor, making the most of this beautiful sunshine we get here. So here I am at this lovely helm. This is a 12 metre by 4.2 metre twin screw diesel yacht cruising boat, and really they don't come much better at that shape and size than this. We've got two great cabins sharing a really well appointed bathroom. We've got safe wide decks. We've got fantastic navigation systems. We've got a lithium battery generator replacement system. Now this boat is designed to cruise. It's designed to go to all those little out of the way places and spend time in comfort at anchor. It'll deliver you all the 240 volts you need, all the performance you need. It's capable of 22 knots, but will cruise very happily at 18 all day long. It's a very credible boat. It's not a brand new boat. This boat, as I said earlier, we built this boat for our display purposes in spring of 2024. But it is seriously for sale now. We're asking 499,000 euros ex-tax, which is considerably under the retail price. It's a great opportunity for somebody, and if you've of a mind for a boat of this size and shape and value and you want to go cruising, you really do need to come and have a look at this one.